Well, cheers again. Apparently, Meta did not like me being myself on Facebook. So, I'll just come right out and say, I'm sorry, and I apologize for using some inappropriate words. I'm sorry. Respect given, respect earned, maybe so. I see it all the time on there, people swearing. Their videos don't get a big message or whatever. So anyway, now I gotta do another video. And I don't like repeating myself. Who else does? Anyway, I'm me. A little bit of green tea. I've been on the green tea now for the last 2 or 3 months. Anyway, I'm me. I'm me, and I don't think I'm arrogant, conceited, anything like that. I'll talk to anybody at all, no problem. That's not an issue at all. I'm myself, 24 hours a day. I'm not anybody else. If you want my respect, give me some respect. If you think you're better or you want to snub me, then guess what? I can snub you and I can just ignore you altogether because you're not worth my bother. To be honest with you, it's just not worth my bother. I like to be myself because then there's nobody else saying, oh, well, he's got 2 faces and he's 2 this and he done this and he done this. Listen, I don't do shit. If I got something to say, I'll say it to your face, not behind your back. That's the way I am, right? Not worried about that at all, because if you don't have something positive to say about somebody, then leave it alone, okay? Leave it alone. Not like I haven't done it before. I did it. Not lying. But now it's a different story. I'm a little different person than I was back maybe about 10 years ago, okay? Everybody knows my history because that was announced straight across the town, right? Man, that was right on CTV. Yeah. Anyway, I really don't give a But anyway, I'm me. I'm real. I'll give respect. You give me respect. Whatever. Don't matter. Another thing is, you tell me something, I'm not down the road telling 6 other people like some people, right? Don't do that. I keep whatever me and you talk about, I keep that shit to myself. Or maybe there's a few people within the group that know what's going on, and they're the only ones that need to know. Nobody needs to be adding anything to their own flavor, neither, right? So anyway, all I do is keep it real. I keep it me, because I don't want to be anybody else, because they're all taken. Cheers now, and have a wonderful day.